In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn events for your next webinar. Let's dive right into how you can easily set up your LinkedIn event, ensuring that it catches the attention of your desired audience and goes smoothly from start to finish. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to LinkedIn's homepage by visiting linkedin.com. It's familiar territory for anyone who has ever used the platform for professional networking. Once there, make sure you're logged in. You can sign in using Google, Microsoft, or simply your email and password. For those who value security, if your account is secured by two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might ask for a verification code sent to your phone. This step, while a bit more time-consuming, is crucial for protecting your account. Upon logging in, you'll notice the home icon at the top of your page. Click that to find your personalized feed. After you're in your feed, look to the left pane for the events link. Clicking here will direct you to the events page where the magic happens. Now that you're on the events page, you'll find an option that says create an event. Click on that and a pop-up window will guide you through the necessary fields needed to create your event. Start by uploading an engaging cover image. A good tip is to use an image that's visually appealing and relevant to your webinar's theme. Next, when prompted, you'll want to select online for the type of event, given that we're setting up a webinar. If you have access to LinkedIn Live and want to stream your event, choose this option. LinkedIn Live lets you use third-party tools to broadcast your video events seamlessly. Continuing with the setup, you'll need to enter a name that captures the essence of your event. Make it unique and informative, something that tells potential attendees exactly what to expect. Then set the date and time carefully, ensuring it doesn't clash with major events or holidays that might distract your audience. Afterward, craft a concise description that highlights the key themes and purposes of your webinar. This is where you draw in your audience, showcasing why they should attend. Once that's done, click next. We're nearing the end now. In the share your thoughts, the field of the share box, write a compelling post to promote your webinar. Think of it as the teaser that entices your audience to mark their calendars. Before you finalize, choose the audience for your post by clicking the drop down next to your profile or page name, then decide who you want to share this information with. After everything's set, hit post. It's essential to know that your event won't be officially created until you complete this step, and that's how you set up your LinkedIn event for a webinar. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to hosting a successful event.